Hello. Today I'd like to do a self-healing meditation using life force energy to energize, restore, and balance you, and give you whatever else you need from it. So take a few moments to get yourself comfortable, uncrossing your arms and your legs. And when you're ready, you can close your eyes. As you do so, breathing out in a long sigh through your open mouth if you like, allowing your body to soften and release what it's brought with it here and no longer needs to carry. Come away from your thoughts, down into the weight and volume of your body and its movements as you breathe. Letting everything be just as it is. Notice the steadiness directly beneath your body. And sit back into its support. Become aware of the air on your face. And the sensation as it enters your nostrils and leaves. Notice it's cooler as it enters, warmer as it leaves. Notice the expansion of the in-breath as your shoulders and chest open to receive. Notice the softening, letting go motion of the out-breath. And allow the whole of your body to follow through with that softening, letting go as the breath releases. Let the body release what it's carried with it here. Sit back into your center, into the weight of your body and where it rests. Sit right back and let everything sit back from you. Becoming aware of the tapestry and the here and now around you, with its light and shade and sound. No need to change anything or judge anything. sense out to notice the space spreading out seamlessly from where it touches your cheek to the farthest horizon either side of you. Notice the spaciousness. Allow yourself this space as much as you need. Sense it spreading out in front of you, all the way around you. Up to the height of sky above you. You can breathe from the farthest horizons if you like. Breathe the light and space into you. Nourish yourself. Breathe it into places that have got closed up, full up, or something else. In your own time, soften your attitude to yourself. Let it become kinder. Allow any hard edges that had formed from the way you've been with yourself or the things that have happened to you, allow them to soften. Let in loving kindness. Allow it into the energy all around you like a warmth. For the energy around you is not empty. It is full and alive with life force. Living, healing life force. Connecting with you and you connecting with it. As you breathe in, sense and imagine you're breathing in this renewing life force that's here for you now to replenish you, give you anything you need. To rebalance and nourish you. As you breathe it in, sense it filling your body, your shoulders, your chest. And within the energy, within the life force, there's a beautiful white light that's surrounding every cell in your body. Renewing, repairing, restoring. Energizing the bloods and fluids flowing around you, bringing new life. New positive life. Clearing away what's no longer needed. Making room for the new and all that's good for you. Allow it to enter every level of your being. Open every window and every door within your body and your mind to let the healing life force in. Then in your own time, let's become aware again of the sky and horizon around you. Breathe from the spaciousness. Notice the coolness of the air entering your nostrils and the warmth as it leaves. Notice the movements your body makes as you breathe. Become aware once again of the steadiness right there beneath your body. Sitting back some more onto that steadiness. Notice you're here in this moment. As you breathe into this you that is here, this very human you, sitting within your breast as it rises and falls. The life force still there. Within you, surrounding every cell of you, renewing, replenishing, restoring. Energizing. This life force will continue with its healing work over the coming hours and days. And you can tap into it again whenever you wish. In your own time, as we prepare to close this meditation, come back to the room. Give yourself an appreciation or words of reassurance. Just acknowledge and thank the life force energy for being there. And in your own way, your own time, you can draw this meditation to a close. Opening your eyes when you're ready. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation.